guys, here's the update. I recently crashed into a little stream that I was flying over with this drone right here. It crashed into the water and I couldn't find it, so I had to leave it there overnight. I came back the next morning and I found it again, but every single component in it had pretty much fried itself. The only thing that was working on it after that was the motors and the FPV camera. So I thought it might be a good chance to try Betaflight again, because I normally fly Falco X, but I've been nagged to try it again with the Superfly tune on it, because it's supposed to be really great. So I bought all the new components for it and I have rebuilt it, so I'm going to show you that now, and then we're going to go out and test fly it and I'll give you my opinion on it and see if it does hold up to Falco X, which is what I normally fly. Right, let's get to it.
The frame, the motors, 4-in-1 ESC with race wire, flight controller, video transmitter with antenna, FPV camera, and a receiver to control it. Let's get to it. Right, I'm officially done. I have put the top plate on it. I have made sure that the receiver connects to my transmitter, that the cross smart audio is working okay. I put the props on it, so now I just need to, I need to set the props off again actually, because I need to set it up in Betaflight properly, and then we'll go out and test it. Right, let's do this. Right guys, so there you have it. I've been flying this for about a week now, and yeah, I have to say I am very impressed with the tune that Stephen from Superfly has put on this. It works really, really well, even with the extra and the added weight of the Hero 9 on this. I mean, it does put it about, bear with me a second, let me just find out what the weight is on this. 592 grams without a battery, 750 grams with battery. Oh yeah, I have actually added some extra things that weren't on video. I've added my LED lights back on the front and the back. I did that yesterday, but I didn't get it on video. So yeah, if you actually have a Superfly frame and an Aikon board, I would strongly advise trying the Superfly tune if you haven't already. But anyways guys, that's pretty much it for now. Hopefully get into more flights with this soon, when the weather clears up a little bit. Anyways, until then, I will see you later.